mold removal is essential for maintaining a healthy living environment. The cost of mold removal depends on factors such as location, extent of infestation, type of mold, and the size of the affected area. Although DIY approaches may be more cost-effective for minor, non-toxic mold issues, it is crucial to consider the potential health risks associated with mold exposure. Hiring professional mold removal services is the better choice as they provide thorough, safe, and effective remediation. The national average cost of mold removal in Canada ranges from $1,500 to $3,500 Canadian dollars for a typical mold remediation job. However, it can go up to $6,000 or more for extensive mold infestations or damage. To find affordable services, get multiple quotes, negotiate the cost, and take advantage of price-matching guarantees. Comparing mold removal prices for various scenarios can help you make informed decisions. After mold removal, prevent future mold growth by addressing moisture control, proper ventilation, and regular maintenance. Mold Busters free virtual inspections are a staple as a starting point for prompt and effective mold remediation. Visit the link in the description box to get more information.